I don't know about this decision that was made by the Niger junta, honestly, because, if you're fighting against neocolonization and foreign troops in your country doing whatever they want to do, you're against it and you're trying to kick them out because, that's what they're doing with French troops. Now, it's been reported that they have allowed the US troops to continue with their operation, and I don't know about this decision because at the end of the day, why would you not allow French troops to continue with their operation and you want them to withdraw from your country, which we believe is the right decision considering all the facts that are available? Why then allow US troops to continue with their operations? So Al Jazeera has reported that the United States military has resumed operations in Niger and flying drones and other aircraft out of air bases in the country more than a month after a coup has halted their activities. Ever since the coup in Niger, when they kicked out or removed Mohamed Bazoum, they have halted the operation the US troop used to have in Niger. Actually, they have about 1,100 troops and they were told to stay where they are. They were basically in their base and they were not allowed to move out or in. So that was how it has been thus far from July to now. But now they are claiming that they are allowed to go in and out. They're allowed to fly drones. They're just continuing with their business. And as you know, the US military has made Niger a primary regional outpost for its patrols with armed drones and other operations against fighters and rebel movements that have seized territory in the region. And so that's the claim, at the very least, that's what they're claiming to do. So they have a huge base in Niger, which shows here that it cost about $250 million of US taxpayers' money. This is taxpayers' money from the US, by the way. US government is taking out from the US and building in Niger. So you also have to understand, the US is not doing this out of their goodness of their heart. They're using Niger as a base. They train their people there. They send and bring in drones and arms, and basically they're using it as their backyard. Whatever they don't want to do in the US, in their own land, they're using Niger as that place where anything goes. And it's not because they want to help Niger, it's because they're doing something there. They think it will benefit them to do that. So that tells you why are you so invested? Why would you take your people's money, taxpayers' money, and build a base that costs about $250 million? That's a lot of money that could have done so much in the US. But then again, US government mostly spends most of their money, they spend it outside, like they spend it in wars, in military, instead of food, education, and everything else. That's where they needed to focus on, because look at the education system right now. Parents are fighting to teach their kids things that they will use in the future. All the mess that is going on. So why are you investing all this money in your military base in Niger? Clearly, it's not to help Nigerians, even though that's the claim. So I don't know why the junta would allow them to continue now with their operations, but that's what they did. And I really hope that they don't end up regretting it, because what's the point of banning France when you allow US to continue with their military base, like with their operation in your own country? I thought we're trying to get away from that. Anyways, fam, let us know down below what your thoughts are about this. I am Wongel Zelalem. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.